What's up, cool kids? Welcome back to the channel.
It's your girl Sophia. It's your boy Andre.
And it's your boy Poppy, and we back in the building. Welcome back to the channel, guys. We're gonna be doing a crazy challenge today.
But
It's gonna be super cool.
Crazier? We don't even know what the challenge.
They don't even know what it is, guys. We've been keeping it on the hush. We haven't said anything.
I hope it's.
You hope it's something lit?
I hope it's something that's in my mind.
Yeah? Don't worry, guys. It's gonna be a lit challenge, guys. Before we get into this video, make sure you give this video a big thumbs up. Make sure you smash the subscribe button. Turn on your post notifications because you already know we're coming back with more
Lit videos!
You dig? Now that you guys are subscribed, we can tell them what it is. So, you guys ready to find out? You excited?
Yes.
You excited?
Yes.
We're going to be doing a real food versus pop it challenge, guys. What do you mean no? You don't want to do that challenge?
No.
What challenge is it that you want to do then?
I wanted to do real versus gummy.
Real versus gummy? Guys, if you want to see us do a real versus gummy challenge, make sure you give this video a big
Fat thumbs up, guys.
and then we'll do it just because Papa, that's what Papa wants to do.
Guys, first thing we're gonna do, I'm gonna mix it first, and then Papa's gonna mix it, and then at the count of 3, we're gonna lift the thing at the same time. Mix. All right, Papa. I'm not hungry right now. I'm not hungry either. But I'm gonna have to eat something if I got something to eat. Okay, Papa, you ready? I get something to eat. I am. 3, 2, 1. Yay! I got a puppy! Yay! Wow, it's such a good puppy. Guys, I got a strawberry puppy. He got strawberry. And I got a strawberry puppy. Yay!
Hers is way bigger. I wish I got a strawberry of that size.
Can you imagine if strawberry was this big? Or imagine it was the size of a plate.
I wish that was strawberry.
It's so juicy. And I'm gonna do a poppy dance. Okay, I'm so excited. I love surprises. Close your eyes.
Okay.
How do you open it? Is there a rat that you that you put inside the freezer?
I'm scared now.
Okay, open your eyes. All right, guys, we're on to round number 2. Excited.
Why do I feel something cold?
Papa, did you mix it?
No.
It's so heavy. Did you put a poppy in the freezer?
Yeah, you did.
What did you put in it? Did you put a? Why are you laughing? Why is it cold?
I know.
All right, Papa, close your eyes. Why is this bowl heavy?
I know, that's what you said. Oh, I'm scared now.
All right, Papa. Open your eyes. I got the cold one. I don't know why.
I don't want the cold one. I don't trust it at all.
I don't trust it either, but please don't be a dead rat. 3, 2, 1. Ice cream! Yeah! Bobby, that's a cupcake.
No, it's an ice cream cone.
But I need a spoon to eat this thing. This is my favorite ice cream. It's chocolate chip and cookie dough.
Why couldn't I just get that?
Papa, I feel bad. Want some?
Nope. Yeah.
Alright guys, so I got cookie dough and chocolate chip ice cream.
I thought it was gonna be a dead rat. I didn't think it was ice cream.
Here. Here, take your pop it. Leave my ice cream Leave it alone. Stop. Call the police.
All right, guys, we're on round number 3.
Why is this one so heavy?
I'm trusting the heavy one. Okay, I feel like the plate's about to fall off.
Are you ready?
Why is this one so hot?
Are you ready?
And macaroni? Just heavy one.
Yeah, you got it. No. I'm hungry. I want it.
No. No! No! Give me the puppets. This is large.
Stop! I'm hungry.
Get it out of room.
I'm still hungry. Please.
Some. Don't touch my pizza.
I'm hungry.
No. No. No.
I'm hungry.
No. I only got like 3 pieces of ice cream.
It looks so good. I think this one piece
Nope.
I really want it.
Huh? Mine is way bigger than yours.
No, mine is, see?
Stop eating my food.
I'm sorry, I'm hungry.
I gave you a piece.
Guys, just take this away now. Put it away.
No.
Dan. Cameraman, take it away.
Yes! Woo! I'm taking this one.
Okay, guys, I hope I get something good. 3, 2, 1. On. Yay, got root beer!
Why do you want it?
Yummy. This actually tastes good.
I don't want it.
You're gonna have to play with it.
I am so thirsty.
Here comes the airplane. Guys, give this video a big fat thumbs up. And if you do, I'm gonna try and drink this whole thing in 5 seconds. 1, 2, 3.
Oh my God!
It's time for round number 5, which is the last round, guys.
I hope I get something good, like food or drink.
No, I only got ice cream and a drink. I didn't get a drink.
Hungry.
3, 2, 1.
No.
No. Puppies. I want a bun. Mommy.
No touch.
Yay!
At least I got a pop. It's pretty cool.
Oh,
Is there French fries I could eat at least? What?
onions, potatoes, tomatoes, and onions.
Alright guys, this is the end of the video. If you like this video, give it a big fat thumbs up, smash the subscribe button, and turn on those post notifications. So next time we could come with more videos just like this.
Nope.
No!